Fitbod versus Heavy. Which fitness app should you use? Choosing the right fitness app can make a huge difference in how consistent your workouts are and how quickly you progress toward your goals. Fitbod and Heavy are two popular training apps that each offer unique tools to help you lift smarter and track progress effectively. Fitbod focuses on personalized, adaptive workout plans tailored to your equipment, goals, and recovery. Heavy emphasizes intuitive workout logging, community support, and flexible tracking for gym and home workouts alike. This comparison breaks down how each app works so you can decide which one fits your fitness routine best. Fitbod is a smart workout app that generates workouts personalized to your goals, available equipment, training history, and recovery state. It uses intelligent algorithms to suggest sets, reps, weights, and exercise variations that help balance muscle groups and prevent plateaus. As you complete workouts, Fitbod tracks your performance and adjusts future plans to keep you challenged while considering recovery. Its adaptive nature and dynamic progression make it a strong choice for users who want workouts that evolve with their fitness level and keep sessions engaging with variety and purpose. Heavy is a fitness app designed to simplify workout tracking and keep you motivated over time. It offers an easy-to-use logging interface where you can quickly record exercises, sets, reps, weights, and notes for every session. Heavy also includes progress charts, history tracking, and a supportive community where users can share workouts and celebrate milestones. While it doesn't generate fully automated personalized workouts like Fitbod, Heavy gives users the flexibility to build, customize, and track their own routines with clarity and simplicity. Perfect for those who prefer hands-on control of their training plan. Feature comparison, Fitbod and Heavy both provide valuable features for training, but they work differently. Fitbod stands out for its personalized, adaptive workouts that grow with your performance, offering a guided plan that evolves with your fitness level. Heavy excels in intuitive workout logging, community motivation, and flexible routines you build yourself, making it ideal for users who like control and simplicity. Final thoughts. If you want a fitness app that automatically suggests workouts and adapts based on your recovery and performance, Fitbod is a great choice. If your priority is easy, flexible workout tracking with community support and the freedom to customize your own plans, Heavy may be the better fit. The best fitness app for you depends on your training goals, style, and whether you prefer structured guidance or flexible self-directed progress tracking.